Hey, I wanted to do this for you guys because we were talking about what targets and goals should you be setting for yourself as an investor investing for 2025. All right. So I'm keeping this theme because you're going to get hit with this. I mean, stay to the end of this video. I promise you. And I want you to work this out. Put it in the comments how you worked it out for yourself because I want to help you guys. But you're going to be setting goals and targets. Everybody's going to be talking about it. But what you should be focused on are your cash flow, passive income targets coming up for 2025. So to keep with the theme, I'm going to stick to that. So let's say you wanted to make $25,000. Boom. Cash flow, passive income in 2025. Let's say that's your goal. You know, and I always tell people, if you keep math simple, because all of your investments are simple. This is money math. It's a way to track. But if you keep that simple, then you'll get it. And I'm going to share with you guys how to do that. So you're going to take, if you want to make 25,000 a year, boom, 25,000, you're going to divide 25,000 because you want to put it in a place where you think you can earn 5% return on your money, like real estate, like the stuff we look at. You would have to have $500,000 invested. Now, that's it. So this is your new target. So this was the goal. This is the goal. This is your goal, $25,000. Man, what would you do if you had $25,000 a year coming in passive income, right? Period. That's roughly about 25. Let's just say it's about $2,500 a month. What would you buy? What would you spend that on? Now, you didn't have to work for it anymore. You put your money to work. You took your money out of the bank. You have a business. Maybe you're a doctor, you're a plumber, you're an electrician. You have a company. You got some extra money. You stacked it, and over time you did it. You can do this any way you want. You can carve this up. That's why I said this is a target. Boom. Let's say it's $500,000. Do you know this is what you have to get invested? This is going to be your invested money, right? Let's say you did 100,000, 100K. You could do 250,000. You can do that twice. You can go all in, put 100K. Boom. You can be like, dude, I got 50K right now. I'm going to set it off to the side. I'm going to invest with Vic over at Bell Capital, whatever. I'm going to call him and be like, Vic, put me down for 50, right? And our minimum is 100. But if you hit us up and you go, I have 50, I'm going to put the other 50 up. And here's what I've got. Here's my commitment. And you do your paperwork, we'll help you out. So going from there. But regardless of whatever, you can go all in. You can do 5 times. You can do this 5 times. You can do this 2 times, however you want to do it. But regardless of whatever, this would be your target for 2025. Nice and simple. Because you know at some point with a 5% return, you're going to hit that $25,000 a year cash flow target for yourself. It doesn't need to be more complicated than that, right? So how do you do that? Now we start getting fun. So you're just going to be like, all right, I'm going to come out with $500,000 this year. Additional over whatever my business is doing. Because remember, not only do you need to keep doing what you're doing, keep producing, this year should be an expansion year, right? All for the last 2 years, everybody was like, stay alive till 25 because of the feds cutting rates expanding rates like almost 3 times what the interest rate was, made it really difficult for a lot of people to really play this game, but money was still being made. Hopefully you did great in your business. And the goal here is about investments, about getting to that $25,000 passive income, positive cash flow target. This is how you do it. So you're going to carve that up however many ways you need to do it, whether you're going to sell a $25,000 product in your business, whether that's a contract, whether you're doing contracting, whether it's electrical, whether it's plumbing, whether you're a developer, or whatever you sell. Maybe you sell marketing, right? Social media marketing, or you're a consultant, or you're an attorney, or you're a doctor, whatever that is, but you're going to carve it up. You're going to do that times 25, whatever. However you want to do that. You're going to do 10,000. 10,000 times 50. Right? Whatever, however you're going to do whatever it is you're going to do. So, or you're going to get 500 times 1,000. I don't know. You can do this math because this is all math, guys. This is all money math. Once you do your money math and you know, hey, my goal, my target this year that I'm looking to hit is to have $500,000 invested so we can make 25,000, 25K all year in passive income and cash flow. That's what my goal is. The goals are always the goal itself. Hey, pick a number. We want $25,000 coming in. We know we need, based on that 5%.